In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace rear brakes and rear rotors on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear wheel. Anytime you do any rear brake service to this vehicle, you have to put it in rear brake service mode. So if you put on your accessories, let this load, hit accept, go into settings, go under brakes, service mode, hit yes. You're going to hear some noises coming from the rear. That's retracting the brake calipers. Now you're in service mode. Shut your car off and you're ready to go. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts. They are a bolt. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Just hold your wheel. Take that last one out. After you've located your caliper, you have a 10mm nut here and a 10mm bolt there. You gotta remove both of them. Once you slide your brake bracket off, there's another 10mm bolt behind it. You need to remove that. Now you're ready to swing your caliper out of the way. Just pry down on that, push out, swing it out of the way. Your caliper bracket mount bolts are here and here. They're T55 Torx. You need to remove those. To remove your rotor, you have a 5mm Allen bolt you need to remove. Hold your rotor, remove that bolt. Take your rotor off. This is your hub and bearing where your rotor sits. You want to clean that, get a nice clean surface. That way when you put the new rotor on, it's nice and flush. Here's your new rotor. This is G-coated. That means you don't want to clean any of the surface off. That way it will bond to your brake pads. Line up your Allen bolt. That a snug. Now it's time to remove those brake pads. Sometimes these will get a little stuck, but just pry them outwards and they should come off. Now you have your clips. You want to replace these clips with new ones. Just pry up, get them out of their holder. Now, when doing this, you want to pay attention because these clips can go in a couple of different ways. If you put them in backwards, you can't put the brake pads onto them. Take a wire brush, clean your area. That way your new clips sit nice and flush. Take some high temp paste. Little dab. Take your new clips and line them up with your old ones. Just push down. Make sure they're nice and flush and in their holder. Now flip it around and do the same on the other side. After you install your clips, it's ready to take these apart. These are your slides. You want to make sure they move freely. You can take your pin out. One of your pins is going to have a rubber boot on it like this. Do not spray anything on this. It's just grease and grease only. Take that out. Take your boot out. Make sure there's no debris in there, which this one does not. Now you want to clean out your hole where that slides. You can take a tool like this, run it inside, clean that bore. Make sure it's nice and clean. Take a little bit of that paste. You don't have to have a lot, just a little bit. Reinstall your boot. Reinstall your pin. And just make sure it moves freely. Now onto your other pin. Same thing, take your pin out. Make sure it's nice and clean. Same thing with your boot. Clean inside the bore. A little bit of paste. Doesn't take much. Reinstall your boot. Reinstall your pin. Make sure it's free. Installing your brake pads. I'm going to push them down. Slide them in. Same thing with the other side. Down. Slide them in. Now install your caliper bracket to your knuckle. You want to torque your caliper bracket bolts to 89 foot-pounds. Now it's time to push your caliper piston back into the caliper. There's many tools that you can use for this. I have an Airmatic one. Put it on, push your button, twist in. Swing your caliper down. Put your bolts in. Tighten those. And those get torqued down to 32 foot-pounds. Install your brake line bracket. And that also gets torqued down to 32 foot-pounds. And here reinstall. Line up your holes. Get your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After you're done with your brakes, come sit in the driver's seat, put it on run, push your brake, you'll hear your motors turning, and then it'll say parking brake reset, hit X, hit OK, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.